This is Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow Lotion, and this is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Body Lotion. These two body lotions are brightening body lotions. They contain brightening ingredients in there. Like this one has vitamin C and turmeric, which are nice brightening ingredients. But this body lotion on its own will not brighten your skin, not even after using 5 bottles of this body lotion will it brighten your skin. This one also has licorice root extracts, berry extracts, and also UVA and UVB filters, which are supposed to brighten your skin. But this body lotion on its own will also not brighten your skin. So you need to add something in there, or you need to add something that is going to activate these two body lotions to brighten your skin for you. That is why we are here. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can mix these two body lotions to activate it to start to brighten your skin. Else, if you buy these two body lotions with the intention that you want to use it to brighten your skin, you want a massive glow from these two body lotions, you're going to be disappointed. So if you're interested and want to know more about these body lotions and how to activate them to brighten your skin, then keep watching and let's get deeper into the video. If you are new here, hello, welcome to this amazing channel. I hope you stay by hitting that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey. So if you want a body lotion like these two brightening body lotions from Nivea to brighten your skin, there are 3 ways that you can go about it, and I am going to show you in this video. There's no way you should go and get this tube cream right here, like this Farmbax A cream right here, and mix it into your body lotion to start to brighten your skin. If someone has taught you to be doing that, know that that is a recipe for disaster. Very soon your skin is going to start reacting. Yes, your skin might get lighter, okay, but you're going to start to notice green veins. You're going to notice that your skin is going to look uneven. You might even start to notice dark knuckles, dark feet, dark marks on your skin. So if you want to avoid any of those unevenness on your skin, if you don't want to go through any of those, then you need to drop this, okay, and follow the instructions in this video. Like if you really want these two body lotions to work out for you, this is the way to go about it. Number 1 is to look for a very good brightening bar soap that you can use along with these body lotions. You know, these body lotions are meant to brighten your skin. Eventually they will brighten your skin. They will help to give your skin an even skin tone, but that is if you are very ready to be consistent with these two body lotions, like you are ready to use it every day all the time. For instance, if you want to make this your body lotion, you need to make sure that you are always using it. When you finish, you have to make sure that you restock with this same body lotion to be able to see those amazing results on your skin. If not, if you want a fast skin glow, like you want fast skin brightening, then number 1, you need to look for a brightening bar soap to use along with this body lotion. And for bar soaps, of course, I would recommend this Asante Papaya Honey Soap for you. Okay, like Asante Papaya plus Honey Soap for you. It also has amazing ingredients like coenzyme Q10, alpha hydroxy acids, and beta hydroxy acids. These ingredients in here are going to help to activate your body lotion to brighten your skin for you. Get this soap, use it at most 4 times a week at night. Use this body lotion during the day and also at night, and trust me, your skin will glow for you, okay? It will glow perfectly well for you. The next bar soap that you can pair with this body lotion is this Hawaii vitamin C bar soap right here. This one is also a very good vitamin C bar soap that you can pair with this amazing brightening, you know, body lotions right here, or even this Q10 plus vitamin C lotion from Nivea. Okay, vitamin C in here and vitamin C in this bar soap is going to work hand in hand to help to brighten your skin for you. Okay, now the next step, or the next thing that you can also do to help activate these body lotions to brighten your skin for you quickly, like for that fast skin glow, is to exfoliate your skin. You need to use a body scrub that is also brightening in nature. Okay, body scrubs like this Dr. Mania Alpha Arbutin scrub. You see this body scrub right here, it has alpha arbutin, and alpha arbutin is a very good brightening ingredient that can aid these two body lotions to help to brighten your skin for you. In as little as 3 weeks, you're going to notice that your skin is glowing. Okay, but without the use of this exfoliating scrub, these two body lotions will not be able to penetrate into your skin to brighten your skin. Do you understand? And the last step, okay, the last step that I would recommend you take if you want these two brightening body lotions to work for you, is to use the brightening body oil. I used this Desire Vitamin C brightening body oil along with these two body lotions. You should have seen the glow that was on my skin. My skin was glowing massively. This vitamin C body oil is a very powerful body oil in a cute little bottle. This one, small but mighty. Like, this body oil is a very good brightening body oil. So if you're looking for a brightening body oil to use along with these two body lotions, this is the one that I can recommend for you because it is the one that I tried out with these two body lotions and I saw massive glow. Okay, so these are the steps that you need to take if you want your Nivea body lotions to brighten your skin. Nivea body lotions are good body lotions. They will brighten your skin. That is, if you're ready to be consistent, use Nivea body lotions throughout your entire life. Do you understand? Do you understand? But if you want that fast skin glow, but if you want it to glow your skin, brighten your skin for you, sharp, bata, these are the things that you need to be doing with it. Please do not go and buy any tube cream and mix it into your body lotion. You're only going to harm your skin in the end. Okay, so I hope that this video was of use to you. Please let me know which step you'll be practicing to help your Nivea body lotion to glow for you. Okay, let me know down in the comment section, and if you have any thoughts, any questions as well, let me know down in the comment section. Thank you so much for passing by. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already for more amazing skincare contents like this one, and I'll catch you in the very next video. Till next time, take care and stay blessed. Love you. Bye.